Good day, sir. It's Justin Ashley Esguerra, Group 6. Ito po yung napili kong i-present is Kahoot. Yes, it's common. Pero kasi sir, first time ko lang din siyang gamitin. I mean, na-try ko na siya before. Pero nag-answer lang ako ng mga quiz. Pero yung gagawa ng tanong is first time lang. So, ito siya. First po is mag-open lang po ng Chrome. Then type lang po is kahoot.com. Then lalabas na to. Pagka maglalaro, click lang yung play. And pagka naman gagawa ka ng quiz, start for free. And then mag-sign up ka lang, madali lang naman po. And dito ka na pupunta after mo sign up. So para makagawa ng quiz, click lang tong create Kahoot. Lalabas na siya. And then close lang. And ito. Pag-start ka na gumawa ng quiz. Dito lalagay yung tanong. Dito yung mga choices. Pagkagagawa ka ng iba pang next question is mag-add lang. Mamimili ka kung multiple choice or true or false. So true or false naman. Dito naman sir. Dito po yung points standards. Standard lang po yan. Pwedeng standard, pwedeng double points or no points. And pwede rin po mag-set ng time limit kung gano'n katagal yung pwedeng magsagot. From 5 seconds to 4 minutes. Sir. Sir. Halimbawa sir, tapos na sir. Kahit ko mo lang sir yung check kung yun yung tamang sagot yung choices. And then click save. Nilabas yung title, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng title kung excuse yun. And then continue lang. And then nalabas siya dito sa library. Yan. So nagawa ko na siya kanina, nag-try na rin ako kanina. So pagka pwede na siyang sagutan agad is na on time is yan, host lang live, click lang. And then magkasagot na on time yung students. Then pagka naman assign, pwede natin siyang gawing assignment. Set lang tayo ng date and time kung kailan siya, hanggang kailan siya pwedeng gawin. So sir, pagka sir mag-start ng quiz, host live, start lang pa. And then hintayin, may lalabas na pin code and QR code. So nai-scan ng students na para makapag-start ng quiz, para makapag-participate. Ayan. Para naman magawa yun is pupunta ka sa play. Ayan. Lalabas yung game pin. Yung game pin is 3708 024. Then lagyan tayo nickname. Kapag participate tayo na, start na lang. Ngayon natin yung tanong, and ito yung choices. So click lang natin yung tamang sagot. Ayun. Wala pa pala. So, click ang tamang sagot at 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's 6. Number 6, dilaw. Nakikita natin yung real-time score ng students. May ranking po yan, depende sa participant kung alin sila. If ever na may gagawin siyang assignment, is click nyo lang yung assign. And then, set lang tayo ng date and time kung kailan siya pwedeng i-take ng students. For example, hanggang November 16 ng 12 PM. Click natin siya. Ayan. May labas lang din na QR code and game pin. Ayan. So, lang sa student para join sila. So, join kayo isang cellphone. Ayan. Na-join yung isang cellphone sa assignment. So, tignan lang tayo ng natin. Automatic na siyang mag-start. Hindi na siya kailangan i-start ng host. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. Next lang natin. Second question is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6. What's next? First person is 7. Hindi nakasagot ng student. Pero lang natin i-refresh ito. Ayan. Meron na isang estudyanteng sagot. Ayan. Yan lang pag-assignment. Sorry. Reverse ko na halimbawa natapos na yung quiz. Ayan. Pwede natin siya check sa reports. So, kaya na-try ko na siya. Dalawang cellphone ginamit ko. And makikita yung score dito. And ito na kanyang leaderboards. And, ito yung question. Andyan.
Good morning, Sir Benzor. This is G.R. Mancilareso from Group 6. And my educational tool is Canvas. Ito po siya. Canvas. Pwede ka dito gumawa ng PPT, presentation, for reporting, visuals. And ito po yung pagpipilian niya. Email, presentation, social media, video, print, docs, whiteboard, sheets, and marami pang ibang template like poster, resume, invitation, Instagram story, and meron po siyang mga trending na template, and may mga bago din po siya na template para sa estudyante or mga nag-work. And just type canvas.com. It's free.
Autodesk Revit. It is a building information modeling software used by engineers, architects, and designers to create intelligent 3D models of buildings and structures. it helps different engineering fields plan, design, simulate, and manage construction projects more efficiently. You can download Revit Structure through Autodesk. For students, you can download it for free using your school email. While you can also download it with plans or subscription. Autodesk Revit is more efficient for different engineering fields or architecture. Because for civil engineering, it creates more structural designs, foundations, columns, reinforcements, and it also helps with site planning and earthworks integration. For mechanical engineering, it designs HVAC system such as ducting, airflow, and equipment. And while for electrical engineering, it layouts lighting system, power circuits, conduits, and panels. For plumbing or sanitary engineering, it models water supply, drainage, sewer lines, and fire protection. For architectural, it creates full 3D architectural models. It produces floor plans, elevations, and walkthroughs.